Hey everyone, welcome back to World Best Solution 220. If you've been searching for the newest dress to impress codes, then today's video is exactly what you need. Right now, thousands of Roblox players are trying to find the latest working codes after the new update. And in this video, we're checking out some of the best reward codes currently available in Dress to Impress. These new Dress to Impress codes can help you unlock free outfits, stylish accessories, bonus rewards, exclusive fashion items, and other amazing in-game cosmetics that make your character stand out even more. Some of the codes in today's video are brand new update rewards, while others are secret redeem codes that many players still haven't used yet. If you want to create better outfits, win more fashion rounds, unlock rare items, and become more stylish without spending extra time grinding, then these new codes are definitely worth checking out. On World Best Solution 220, I always try to bring the newest Roblox updates, trending redeem codes, hidden rewards, and fresh viral videos before most players even know about them. And trust me, some of today's codes are super valuable and may expire very soon. So if you enjoy Roblox content like this and want more fresh Dress to Impress code videos in the future, make sure to subscribe, leave a like, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next update. And now, let's check out the latest Dress to Impress codes available right now.